Hey guys, welcome to the Mark 5 video. After building those earliest versions, now I'm rebuilding Mark 5 and improving the trigger system a bit. If you're ready, let's get started. First, there's a spring mechanism that I made before video and I'm placing this into its spot and glue it down. Then I add some support parts behind it to make it stronger, so it doesn't come off. After that, I stick the web shooter onto the wristband. Now it's starting to come together. I also built a small bullet holder using a matchbox and attach it on the top. But before all of that, I sewed some Velcro straps onto the wristband to make it more secure.
One day later.
The web shooter Mark 5 is broken, so I ended up building a new one. And as you can see, this version turned out way better. Now let's do a quick test. We load the bullets into the holder like this and pulling the trigger and it gets into place. And we pull and fire, pull, fire, just like that. This one was kind of a quick video, but see you in the next one.